One of the other options under the Create tab is to create a quiz assignment. This will create a Google form for you to use as a quiz or a test. When you click this, it'll automatically create a blank quiz and put it in your Google Classroom folder. If you already have one made, which I do have one, so I'm going to use that as the example quiz, you can also link it here by adding and then putting in the Google Form link. So I'm going to add the sample form here. Remind students and just like our other assignments, I can assign it to multiple classrooms. I can assign it to individual students or all students. I can change the point value, add a due date, and then I can add a topic here as well. I can choose to assign it right now, or I can schedule it. But remember, you can only schedule it if you are assigning it to one classroom at a time. When you click the blank quiz, it will open up a new tab in new form in order for you to create it. You'll go ahead and enter in your questions. Click the answer key to select the correct answer and how many points. I would also click that it is required unless it is not. Over here, you can add another question. You can import questions if you already have them. You can add a title and description page. You can add an image or maybe even a video. So maybe you want to pose a video and then have several questions after it for students to answer and add a section. Here's a sample quiz for students. So you can see I've added in images, I've marked the correct answers. If you make it ahead of time, you can click the send and then select the link to copy it and then add that link in Google Classroom and it will connect your quiz here. The benefit to doing it outside of Google Classroom, the Google form, and then adding the link is you can put it in separate folders. So say if you have like a unit 1 folder, unit 2 folder, you can add it in those spots. I can also click the grade importing here. And then I'm going to go ahead and assign it. And that's how to create a quiz assignment in Google Classroom.